Hey guys, today I'm making one of my favorite dishes, lo mein with chicken and lots of good stuff for you, lots of vegetables. Let's make it together. This dish is so easy to make. Once all your prep is done, it takes literally minutes to put together. You can do your prep work ahead of time or the day before, and you can do the stir fry. It just takes minutes. I'm gonna start by marinating the chicken, and I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for 5 hours to marinate. So the marinade is gonna consist of cornstarch, rice wine vinegar, and a little bit of soy sauce. All the amounts are gonna be in the description box below. And the noodles that you're gonna use are egg noodles. They're the next best thing if you don't find the lo mein noodles. And the marinade for the chicken is gonna ensure a very moist, tender chicken that won't be dry or overcooked. And if you are in a rush and you don't want to do the whole marinating thing, you can just add cornstarch and stir fry the chicken on high heat. Now what I'm gonna do is prep all my vegetables, set them aside, prep the sauces, everything ready for me, the pasta, and then do the stir fry. Everybody likes their own vegetables, and the amount of vegetables is different from one person to the other, so it's easy for me to customize. For example, I like to load my lo mein with lots of vegetables, more than the pasta. Bok choy, broccoli, lots of onion, lots of bamboo shoots, water chestnuts, lots of ginger and garlic. Here I'm showing you how to cut the carrots the right way to have nice long matchsticks. And here's another tip I learned not a long time ago. This is the best way to peel the ginger with a small spoon. And if the ginger is fresh, it will peel right off. And this is how I'm gonna slice it. And I have the dried shiitake mushrooms. I love them with the lo mein. I soak them in warm water for 15 minutes, then I drain them. I get rid of the stems, slice them, and get them ready. Now the pasta is ready and the veggies are ready. I'm gonna work on the sauce that's gonna go in the lo mein. Some chicken stock, cornstarch, lots of soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil, and I've got my sauce ready. And if you like the sauce too much, you can double the amount of the sauce. And one of my favorite ingredients is oyster sauce. I add a couple of tablespoons and I mix and I set the sauce aside. And this is my favorite dipping sauce that I keep on the side. Consists of a little bit of chicken stock, some garlic chili paste, a little bit of green onion, peanuts, sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce. I mix and I set it aside. Now that everything is ready, I take it to the stove, very high heat. I use peanut oil or any high heat oil, vegetable oil, canola, whatever you like. And And I'm gonna build the lo mein very quickly. Start with the chicken, sear it on very high heat, then add a little bit of ginger and garlic. This is what I like about making my own lo mein. I control the oils, I control all the sauces, the salt, everything. So I want the vegetables to cook, but I want them to still stay crispy. I can smell the garlic and the ginger, it smells so good. This is how I'm gonna add the vegetables. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of mushroom, the onions, and I'm almost ready to add the noodles. Now I can add the sauce, and you can add as much or as little as you want. Add a little bit of green onions towards the end. I don't want the green onions to cook. Just at the end I add a bunch, and I add a bunch of peanuts, unsalted peanuts. Now I'm gonna make some for my kids. They don't like onions, they like broccoli, they like bok choy more. So I'm gonna add the other kinds of vegetables to their dishes, and they like more sauce, so that's what I'm gonna do. So you can customize it the way you like, and it's gonna turn out amazing. Try it and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!